Very 24. Okay, so 24 times x over 8 alpha equals what?
A equals 3. Wait, 3. Wait,
3
3x.
what? Very
3x.
good. 3x. Okay, so 24 times 1 over 6 equals what?
4.
4 plus 4 equals 7 over 24 times 24 equals what?
7. Wait,
Very good.
yes.
So 3x equals 3, right? Because 7 minus 4 equals 3. So x equals 1. Correct? Okay, so now, Ollie, can you tell me, so for which number you're going to times both left side and right side? Ollie? For number D. Ollie, can you hear me? Okay, so can you tell me which number you're going to time both left side and right side? Very good, 24. I can, 你的声音比较轻. Okay, so Ollie, can you tell me 24 times x over 8 equals what?
3x.
3x, very good. 24 times negative 1 over 6 equals what?
4.
Very good. So it's negative 4, okay? So equals negative 7 over 24 times 24 equals what?
7.
Negative 7. Negative 7, okay? So 4 over there will be 3x equals negative 7 plus 4. So 3x equals negative 3. So x equals negative 1. Get it, everybody? So when you see those questions, Luciana, so can you tell me which number you're going to times both left side and right side? Luciana?
12.
Very good. And how about number F? Ethan.
24.
Times what? 24. Very good. Okay, so this one, I'm going to ask Jeff. Can you tell me which number you're going to times? So this one, number G. So 3, 7, and 21. Which number are you going to?
This one is
What? So we are doing all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 questions, right, Jeff?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't understand the earlier question, you should stop me and ask me why we're timed those numbers, okay? So I'm going to explain to you. So you need to keep your microphone on, okay? Don't turn it off. So why is times 24, Jeff? It's because 6 and 8, the lowest common multiple is 24. Why is times 12? Because 4, 3, and 12, the lowest common multiple is 12. In order to do that, we can take a fraction off, then make the whole number. The whole number is easy. So we're going to times what?
3, 7.
3, 7 equals what?
21.
21. Both left sided 21. Very good. Okay, number H. Luciana, can you tell me which number we're going to time both left side and right side?
10.
Very good. Good job. Okay, understand everybody? So when we do those questions, we'll be much quicker. Okay, so today we're going to talk about something very interesting. Okay, so Jeff, do you like corgi? Do you like corgi?
What?
Yeah, because in your picture, profile picture, there's a little corgi there. 那个狗, I saw it, there's a little corgi there.
I don't know, I just randomly just picked one.
Okay, I thought you liked those dogs. Okay, so everybody, today we're going to learn something about money. Okay, so I want to ask everybody in this class, do you like money? Okay, I saw Ollie is shaking. Okay, how about Luciana? Luciana seems not really interested about it. Do you love money? You like it? Okay, you don't know? Okay, you know what, Luciana? Later on, if you have a lot of money, please give it to us, okay? Because you don't want it. Jeff, let's share Luciana's money, 好不好？Okay, Ollie，等我把那个 Luciana 的钱骗过来，我跟你们分了啊。Okay, yeah, Ollie said yes, good, good. That's a very good teacher. How about you, Alpha? Do you like money? Alpha, I cannot even see you.
I don't like money. I want money.
Okay, yeah. Alpha loves want money as well. Okay, so now let me ask you a very simple question. Okay, so do you know how to get money? Give me
Oh.
some resources that you can get money. Luciana, where can you find money?
Work.
What work? Okay, wow, Luciana is a very good girl. Okay, how about you, Alpha?
In Carrie's pocket.
Okay, I get it. Get it from strangers
What?
or friends. Okay. Okay. Number 3, I want to ask Ethan. When you need some money, when you want some money, who you usually turn to?
I don't know, like, cause my dad whenever cause Mondays after school I have hip hop, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't go home, so I just like stay around school. My dad gives me like $20
Okay.
like
So yeah.
every 2 weeks.
Okay. Very good. Dad, you go to your dad. Okay. So how about you, Jeff?
I would go to my parents or
Okay. So mom, right?
Yeah.
Or grandma, right? Or grandpa, right? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Number 4, I want to ask Ollie, can you tell me how could you make money? So if you need some money, where like who you're going to go to? Ollie 从来没有的，我就不信 Ollie 从来口袋里面1分钱没有，我不相信。
Well, like some kids are like that. My friends are like that. They don't have money in their pocket.
真的吗
Yes, they have like 0 cents. And
？Okay,
zero
Ollie
money.
肯定有钱的。OK， 好，那 let's go back to Luciana thing. OK, beg mom. Okay, Luciana. So you said you want to work, right? So what kind of job you want to do? You can do right now. I mean, right now. I'm not saying like 20 years later. I said right now. What is something like you're capable of doing?
I watch my brother and teach him math.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Teach brother, probably piano as well, right? Yeah, very good. Good job. Okay, so how much you earn, Luciana? Do you mind I ask you?
$5 sometimes.
$5 per time? Oh, good job. Very good. Very good. Okay, how about anybody in this classroom? I want to ask you a very simple question. If you want to do something to earn some money, so Luciana has given us a very good idea. Okay, she said, I can teach my brother math and piano, and my mom is going to pay me $5 per time. Okay, Ethan, can you tell me something? Maybe you can think about because you're smart. Maybe you can tell me something like you can make some money.
Put up a lemonade stand and sell lemonade.
Okay, very good. Lemonade. Good job. Okay, so Alpha, do you have something else?
Well, like I kind of like maybe just like cleaning the whole house.
Huh?
Like cleaning the house.
Okay, cleaning the house. Very good. Cleaning house. Okay, very good. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, Luciana, you have some more ideas?
I watch this cat to make sure it doesn't break any of my mom's stuff, and I also give massages.
Okay, wow, your mom pay you. Okay, cat massage. Wow. Okay. Number 8, Jeffrey, can you tell me?
like I wash the car.
Okay, good. And your dad and your mom will pay you? Okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, they are all very fantastic method. Okay, so let me just to give you some idea. The first one, From Alpha or Ethan or whoever. Yeah, I think it's from Alpha.
Me.
Get it from Carrie's pockets. Get it from strangers. Get it friends. I highly doubt it works, right?
Yeah,
'Cause
Chinese
you know
New
what?
Year.
People don't know you, and Carrie maybe not that nice, right?
Chinese New Year. Like you
Chinese
get
New Year, yeah, you're going to get some red pocket. But dad, mom, grandpa, yes, very good. This one for sure is working. But let me ask Ollie a question. 你爸爸和你妈妈是不是一个 family 啊？和你，对不对
yeah.
？OK，
Yeah.
好，你爸爸有100块钱，给了你100块钱，你爸爸就没有100块钱，你爸爸的100块钱转到了你的 pocket 里面。But entire family, the money is increased or not increased at all. It's not increased at all. So basically, it is a working method, but it's not producing any money technically, right? So the same thing as teaching brother and cleaning house and massage cat and wash cars. You're basically getting money from your parents and putting in your pockets. So you're not making any money at all. So I'm going to use Ethan's project to think about it. This is actually making money. Don't you agree with me, everybody? You agreed, right? Because this other one is just a transfer money. But Ethan's is making money, right? We want to making money. We don't want to transferring money because transfer is not creating any extra dollars at all. Okay, so let's talk about it, making lemonade. Okay, so Ethan, let me ask you, how to make lemonade?
Oh, lemons, water, honey, or sugar. And
Very good.
if you want ice,
Okay, don't you agree with me, everybody? That's all we need, right? Okay, so water, is it free? Right? Ice, we can make it in our refrigerator, so it could be free as well. Correct, everybody? So how to make more money, okay? So first of all, we know how to make money. Second of all, we want to make more money. Correct, Luciana? We want to make more money. So how to make money? How to make more money, everybody? So the lemonade is made from lemon, water, ice, and sugar or honey. So the cost of lemon and the sugar or honey is called cost. Correct? Okay. This is something you need to prepare in order to making money. Okay, so everybody, you are going to having a selling price. Do you understand, everybody? Because you're paying, for instance, $5 for lemonade, $5 for sugar and honey. And you make 100 cups of lemonade. And each of the lemonade, if you're selling for $1 and you sold them all, how much money you're going to get? Very easy. $100, right? So Ollie, are you making $100? You're not making $100. The money you make equals the selling price, $100, but you need to minus the cost because lemonade is not free. Because lemon is not free, sugar and honey is not free. Understood? Okay, so we need to use 100 to minus $10, so you can make $90. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna stop here. I want everybody to think about something. How to make more money. There are actually two ways of making more money. Can you tell me? How to make more money? Alpha. 不知道啊，那老师来教你们一下吧。如果
Put
现
it
在
in the bank.
what？
Put it into the bank.
Okay, no. I can do what? I can sell $2 per cup. Yeah, Luciana? So if I sold 100 cups, I make $200 as the selling price. But my cost still $10. Correct, everybody? My cost is not changed at all. So instead of making 190, I make, sorry, instead of $90, I make $190.
Carrie,
Yeah?
technically, the cost of lemon and sugar / honey would still go up because you're like adding more, you're like making more things. So like,
No, I still make 100 cups. I'm not changing anything.
but like the
I
cost
just
of it,
increase each cup's price. I didn't do anything. Everybody? Yeah, Luciana.
But what about the cups you put the lemonade in? Don't they cost something?
Oh yeah, we can just add. I didn't do that, right? So let's just think about it. Lemonade. So in order to make them, I need cups. I need a lemon. I need a sugar. Let's just make a sugar, okay? So we just say all of them are $5, okay? But I'm selling them. So all of these $15 thing, I can make 100 cups altogether. Okay? So if the selling price is $1, so I'm going to make 1 times 100 minus 5 times 3, which is $85. But if I change the selling price to $2, I'm doing 2 times 100 minus 5 times 3 equals 185. And this is telling me like, in order to want to make more money, I could increase the selling price. Okay, everybody correct? Because the cost to stay the same, the selling price increased, the profits increased. Correct, everybody? So there is also another way of doing that is if I cannot increase the selling price. For instance, 每一个人卖 lemonade 都卖1块钱，我就问 Jeff， 如果你卖2块钱，还有人问你买吗？
不会。
对呀，对不对，Luciana？是，我还是想要多赚点钱。I still want to make more money. So what can I do? Ollie.
the price.
I cannot change the selling price. The selling price always $1.
Don't make too much cups.
No. I can do what? I can go to the
Use as much
grocery store
ingredients.
and I'm just telling them, yes, I want to buy $3 lemon and $3 sugar. The cost it became right now is 5, because cup I cannot change, right? Still need 100 cups. 5 plus 3. So now immediately from 85, I'm making $89. So that means in order to increase the profit, we can what? Lower the cost. Understand? Okay? 小朋友们知道了啊 Okay, in order to make more money, we can increase the price or decrease the cost. Do you understand, everybody? Okay, 好. So now that's something about today, okay? So also, I want to ask you a very simple question. So other than this is a way of making money, actually we have another way of making money, is making money from bank. Correct? Okay, but in order to make some money from the bank, you need to have some money. But that's the same thing. If you want to do business, you want to do lemonade, Ethan, you need to have at least $11 to buy lemon, to buy sugar, to buy cups, right? So that means in order to make some money, you need to have something first. Correct, Luciana? Okay, so how to make money from bank? Alpha.
I think it's like there was like this oh yeah, is it savings account?
Yes, we have saving account. Very good, Alpha. So how to make that? Okay, so Ethan, for instance, you have $1,000. Okay, and you go to bank, ask them, what is your interest rate? Okay, so the bank said, I'm going to give you 5% yearly interest. What does it mean? That means you give them money. That means that the bank borrow money from you, and they're paying you 5% every year for the $1,000 you lend it to them. So 1,000 times 5% equals what? Ethan?
1,200.
1,000 times 5%. Equals $50. Okay, so at the year end, you have $1,050. And that's 1 year. And 2 years later, you have 1,100. I know it's slowly, but Ethan, you don't have to do anything. You just stay in your home and the money just accounting. Okay, so how to make more money in bank? How to make more money? You know, do business, you can increase the price or decrease the cost. So how to make more money in bank?
Add
There
more
are
money.
also 2 ways. Who can tell me?
Add more money.
Very good. Who said Alpha? Very good. So instead of $1,000, think about it. If Ethan give the bank $1 million, okay, the bank still give Ethan 5%. Now Ethan is going to end up with 50,000 every year. Doesn't do anything at all. Get it? So this is the first way. Increase your money. Very good. What is the second way? What is the second way?
Go to a bank with a lower interest rate.
Lower
Higher.
or higher? Oh, okay, very good. Okay, very good. You go to the bank with the higher interest. So think about it. This bank gave Ethan 5%, and another bank gave Ethan 7%. So the same $1,000, Ethan are going to make $70 every year from this $1,000. Understand, everybody? So this is a simple rate. And next time we're going to learn the compound rate as well, okay? So compound rate is the best thing in this world in order to help a lot of people that they can earn a lot of money without doing anything. Isn't that everybody's dream? You don't have to do anything. The money just coming into your pocket, okay? And it's even legal. Jeff, it's legal. It's like if Alpha, like he just said, get the money from Carrie's pocket. That is illegal, okay? But you get it from bank, that's legal. So Ollie, do you like that? Okay, so who said math is useless? Math is very useful. Okay, get it? So math is the way of telling you like you can get money from doing nothing. How good it is. I like that. Okay, and there's also the third way of making money. It's actually Luciana and Ethan and Jeff and Ollie and Daniel. You're doing everything really good, but you don't teach your brother. You don't wash your father's car. Okay, you go outside and teach somebody else's and get the money from their family. That is not the money transfer. Luciana, understand? Okay, so for instance, you teach your best friend, okay, and your best friend's mom is paying you some money, then that is not the transfer because you're getting some money from other family. So good job, Luciana. Give me 5. Okay, because I know you're really good at piano, right? Correct? Okay, and I know Ollie is really good at dancing, right? Street dance. So you can later on being a very good little teacher as well. Okay, everybody? And also, let me just introduce, okay, all of you, if you want to, you could apply to be my teacher assistant and help me mark somebody else's homework, okay, and help some little younger sisters, younger students in my class, and you can get paid by me. That is making money. Get everybody? Okay, so I think you understand how to make money very well, okay? So if you want to, you can just discuss this with your parents as well, like how to being a billionaire and starting when you're really little, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So today we're going to learn the interest, profit, and lose. Okay, so Luciana, I'm sorry. Yes, it is true. When you are making money, you sometimes lose money as well. The thing is not always like, oh, I can always making money, never lose money. So let's just make an example. For instance, the profit is calculated by selling price minus cost, right? And lose is actually also calculated by selling price and cost price. So how do we do it? Okay, so let's just using Ethan's example, okay? So Ethan is thinking about selling lemonade again, okay, this year. And he bought $5 of lemon, $5 of cups, and $5 of honey. And he make 100 cups. But you know what? That day, nobody come out because it's raining heavily. Yeah, I know. Say Jeff said, no, yes, I know. That is a business, okay? They're up and downs. So Ethan sold no cups at all. 0. So that means that the selling price is 0. But no matter how, he already spent $15 for buying lemons, cups, and honeys, right? So what is the price? 0 minus 15 equals negative 15. So that means what? Ethan lost $15 for that day. I'm sorry, Ethan. Last year you make a lot of money, but this year it's not working. Understand? Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so you have to have this preparation, okay? Because sometimes we do making money, sometimes we lose money. So let's talk about percentage profit. Okay, so this is a very important thing is how we understand this is, for instance, Ethan is making $5 is a cost. Oh, sorry, $15 for the cost. And he sell it for, altogether, he sold for $30. So let me ask you, everybody, how much is a profit? Very easy. 30 minus 15 equals what? Nobody knows? Okay, thank you, Jeff. $15. Okay, Ethan makes $15. So Ethan, can you tell me what is your percentage of profit?
50%.
No. Okay, so Ethan 说了，我有 making 15%. No, it's not 50%. It's 100%. Why? Because the percentage of profit equals the profit divided by the cost price, which is 100%. Get it, Ethan? Your money, how much money you make is based on how much money you spend, not based on how much money you sell it. Understand, everybody? Actually, a lot of students making mistakes on this. They're doing profit divided by the selling price. No, it's a profit divided by the cost. Okay, everybody, looks very easy, okay? So we're going to take a look at this question, okay? So the selling price of a figurine is 8,000. That means there's a statue, okay? So 8,000. If it is sold at 4,800. So let me ask you a very simple question. 底卖了多少钱？怎么又是8000又是4800呢？ Ethan, can you tell me? 为什么有只狗？ 是活的吗？ Jeff, your dog is even bigger than you, I think. Okay, so Ethan, can you tell me why 8,000 and 4,800? Can you tell me?
I don't know.
呀，因为有的时候我们去店里面，你们有没有跟妈妈去逛街？她说，哎，8000块钱，对不对？然后呢，你妈妈就说，哎呀，这么贵，便宜一点嘛。然后那个人说6000，你妈妈说不行，太便宜，我3000，我最多出3000。然后那个人说，哎，3000太便宜了，那4500，5000吧。然后你妈妈说，哎，不行，4800，后来成交。Understand? So 8,000 is you want to sell it, like Ethan want to sell their lemonade for $2. But unfortunately, the customer only willing to pay one. You have two choices, either not to sell any or sell some to them with a discounted price. So that's the same thing. 它标价8000，但是卖了多少？4800。好，那我现在问一下奥利，那 selling price 应该是8000呢，还是4800？奥利？ Sorry, you need to turn on the mic.
$8,000.
No, Ali, the selling price is 4,800. OK， 为什么是 4,800？因为这个钱是你实实在在拿到手里的。Luciana, understand? It's not the selling price. OK, I know the question said selling price is. OK, especially when you're doing the math contest. OK, Jeff, Ollie, Alpha，有的时候题目就是这么坏。它上面写着 selling price，对不对？但其实真正的 selling price 是4800。Understand, Ollie？是卖掉的那个钱。OK，4800。So that's the selling price. The profit is 20%. Okay, so how do we do? How much should be sold if the profit has to be 75%? OK，好，我们一步一步来。If we sell this for 4,800. The profit is only 20%. So remember, everybody, how to do the profit percentage is profit divided by cost. Correct, everybody? So profit divided by cost equals 20%. Correct, everybody? Okay, so how do we calculate the cost? Sorry, profit. Profit equals selling price minus cost. Correct, Luciana? So we have these two equations, right? Okay, so profit equals 20 times cost. Understand, Ollie? Okay, so I'm gonna replace this 4,800 minus cost equals 20% cost. So very easy. We move this one over there. It is 120% cost equals 4,800. So cost equals what? Equals 4,000. So basically it's 4,800 divided by 120%. So know the cost is 4,000 and we know the profit rate is 75%. So the profit divided by the cost equals 75%. So the cost is 4,000. So profit equals what? Profit equals 75% times 4,000. So the answer is 3,000. That's a profit, right? So the question is asking you how much it should be sold for. So that means asking you selling price. Selling price equals what? Equals cost plus profit. So the cost is 4,000. The profit is 3,000. So the answer is 7,000. Got it, everybody? Okay, I'm gonna stop here and let you take your notes, okay? Do you need any more time or we can go on? We can go on? Okay, so everybody, if you understand this question, we're gonna quickly now take a look at the first question. Okay, so practice. It's exactly the same, just the number has been changed a little bit. The selling price of a sofa is 12,000. It is later sold at 6,500 at an exhibition. The profit made is 30%. What is the percentage of profit if the profit is 5,000? Okay, everybody, take a look at this question. Okay.
Carrie,
Uh-huh.
can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course.
Can I go and get a band-aid? The cat scratched me.
Of course. Okay, I'm going to start to explain these questions, okay? So first of all, Luciana, can you tell me selling price minus cost equals profit? So for this question, what is the selling price?
6,500.
Very good. Good job. Not this 12,000, okay? Not this 12,000. This one just a set of the price. 12000块钱一套沙发，没有人买的好不好？然后就降价到9000，然后呢，降价到7000，最后6500成交。Okay, so the selling price is 6,500 and the profit made is 30%. 那老师问你们，这个 profit made 是不是等于 profit divided by cost equals 30%？对不对？那我们知不知道 profit？不知道，对不对？我们知不知道 cost？不知道。But we know the profit is exactly 30% of the cost. Correct? Because profit divided by cost equals 30%. So profit equals 30% times cost. 那小朋友说，老师，我不太会算 percentage，那你就写0.3 cost，会不会？那或者你愿意写成fraction 3/10 cost，可不可以？当然可以，对不对？ So then 6,500 minus cost equals what? 0.3 cost. Okay, so 6,500 equals what? I move this guy here, 1.3 cost. So cost equals 6,500 divided by 1.3 equals 5,000. Correct? Understand, Jeff? 你在干嘛 ？Jeff，你在 moving。
我要去充电，我的充电器在别的地
没有
方。
电了，是不是 ？OK，
对
那你听着，听着，懂不懂？听不听得懂？听得懂，对不对？OK， so cost 已知道了。他说，What is the percentage of profit if profit is 5,000？那你看，the percentage of profit 怎么算的？是不是 profit divided by cost？那 profit is 5,000， cost 也是 5,000，那 the percentage what? 100%. Get it? Understood, everybody? Okay, so this is how we see everything is like that. Okay, so step by step. Understood, everybody? Okay, so now we're moving back to the question number 2, okay? A product is marked at 20% above the cost of price. 这句话什么意思？他说 a product is marked at 20% above the cost of price. 那如果 cost 是100，那它就是卖多少？120，对不对？所以呢，等于什么？20. So selling price, cost, and profit. Okay, so this 20% 其实是什么？Profit percentage. Correct? It's a profit percentage. It is then sold 90% of the selling price. 这句话什么意思啊？这个东西呢，原来值100块钱，对不对？卖120，我想卖120，对不对？但是啊，卖掉没有啊？还没卖掉。In order to sell it, I need to do what? 打10% off. 中国叫打9折，我们这里叫10% off. So 打9折。So 120乘以0.9等于多少？108块钱。 也就是说120没卖掉，卖了108块钱。What is the cost price of this product？ 好，那我们来看看，应该如果这个 cost 是100块钱的话，我这样操作完以后，是不是只赚了8块钱？ But they tell me the profit is 120. Okay, so we have two ways of doing this. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to using the easiest way. Okay, if you don't understand, I'm going to explain the other way. Okay. So Luciana, let me ask you, this product 它到底是不是 cost $100? No. Very good. No. I suppose I guessed it. I just made it like $100. Understand, Money Z? Okay. 好，我假设它是100块钱。那 in order to make 20% of the profit, I need to sell it for 120. Understand, Ali? But unfortunately, I cannot sell it full price. So I do 10% off. I sell it to 108. And based on that, my profit should be $8. But unfortunately, the question telling me the truth is my profit is 120. So let me ask Luciana how to make 8 to 120. Ethan, how to make 8 to 120?
Multiply by 15.
Very good. Multiply by 15. 我们这个 Ethan 跟我学了那么多 ratio 哪里来用的？这个就是 ratio。那我的利润增加了15倍，那我的 cost 也增加15倍，不就完了吗？所以我的 cost 是1500的。OK， 好，有小朋友说老师我没学过 ratio， 我不会做，那怎么办 ？OK， so we just make it algebra. OK， so make the cost of this product is X $. So a product is marked 20% above the cost, so it's 0.2x plus x, the selling price. Correct? So equals 1.2x. Okay, so I didn't sell it, but I sold 90% of the selling price. So 1.2x times 90%, which is 1.2x times 0.9 equals 1.08x. So how to calculate the profit? The profit equals selling price minus cost. So the selling price is 1.08x. The cost is x. So the profit is $120. So that means 120 equals 0.08x. So x equals 1,500. OK， 你们觉得第一种方法比较简单，还是第二种方法比较简单 ？I like the first one, right? The first one is much easier. It doesn't have a lot of calculator. All you need to do is just figure out a number. 好，那这个时候有个小朋友说，老师，那在第一道题目里面，你为什么要把 cost 想成100块钱呢？为什么不是1000块钱？为什么不是5块钱？为什么不是20块钱 ？Why it is 100? Of course, it could be 1,000, it could be 5, it could be 20. But who can tell me why I pick $100? Because I'm lazy. I want to find the easiest way to calculate. Get it, Ethan? 想一想，100块钱 I want to sell it for 120. I make 20% of the profit. Very easy. 那5块钱我去乘以1.2，哎呀6了，这不舒服嘛？20就不是整数。100 is our best friend. Very easy to calculate. Understand? Okay, so if you understand this question, so we're going to do number 2. Let me see. 呀，这个好像没有完全一样。看一下 number 2，试试看好不好 ？number 2，这个看 number 2。 Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 哦，那个 Jeff，你没有 charger，那怎么办呀？
现在刚找到。
哦，找到了。OK。The Mega Mart sold 60% fewer cans of soft drinks than bottle of mineral water on Sunday。这句话什么意思啊？也就是说，如果他卖了10瓶水的话，那 soft drink 他卖了多少？是不是4瓶 ？Correct, everybody？好，那有些小朋友说，老师，你为什么不用5啊？你还是一样的嘛，对不对？我最好用100和40，是不是也很简单，对不对？1和10、10、100这些都是特别好，对不对？The profit of each bottle of mineral water was 70% less than that of each can of soft drink。也就是说，如果 soft drink 每卖出去1瓶赚1块钱，sorry，赚10块钱。I know it is impossible, okay? I just to make everything calculate easier wise. 卖1瓶 soft drink 可以赚10块钱的话，我问一下小朋友，卖1瓶矿泉水可以赚多少钱？自己说，大家说出来没关系。
25.
3块，70% less than each。他如果卖10块的话，能赚10块钱，他就能赚3块钱。这不是卖10块钱啊，是赚10块钱 ，because it's a profit. The profit gained from selling the soft drink is 1,200。好，那我们来看看啊，因为我这个就是假设的，对不对？那你看，如果我卖了40瓶 soft drink，每1瓶赚10块钱，我是不是应该赚400块钱？对不对？那一样的，如果我卖了100瓶水，每1瓶赚3块钱，我是不是应该赚300块钱？好了，那小朋友，我问一下，This is our assume 400. This is a real. We make 1,200. 那怎么把400变成100? 1,200
Times 3.
times 3. Very good, Ethan. Very good. I know you that. You know that.
Wait, what?
好了，那这边乘以3，这边怎么样？也乘以3，不就完了吗？What is the profit gain from selling the mineral water? 900. Get it? 是不是跟前面一样的？我们还是用了前面简单的方法 ，using the ratio. Think about it. What is the differences between the imaginary number and the real number? And just using the ratio apply for every single sets of the data. Luciana, do you like this way? This way is much better, right? This way is much better. Okay, so 好，下面来看一下这道题目。This question I think is the hardest question for entire class. Okay, so I want you to really, really be careful. 如果要准备开小差的小朋友，我们下一节课再下面的题目再开小差。这个题目我们不开小差，好不好？老师是这样说的，换一个题目开小差。下面一节。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So who can read the question for me? Ethan, can you read the question for me?
A shop purchased some shoes at $65 per pair. It then sold them at $74 per pair. The shopkeeper calculated that the profit earned was $440 when there were 5 pairs of shoes left. How many pairs of shoes did the shop purchase initially?
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so now I need to talk about the cost first before we do this question, okay? So we only know when Ethan's selling lemonade, we know the total cost of lemonade. The lemon is $5, right? But do you know that is actually calculated by, because each of the lemon is selling for 50 cents and Ethan bought 10 lemons. So that's why the cost is $5. Okay, so that's the same thing when the shopkeeper is selling shoes. So we need to know the cost of each shoes and times how many pair of shoes are initially being purchased. That equals the cost. Understand, everybody? Okay, so instead of telling you the total cost, we need to find out the cost of the shoes, and we know that how many pair of shoes are initially purchased, then that is a cost in total. So let's take a look at this one. So we know the profit equals the total selling price minus the total cost, correct? Okay, but now I want to ask you a very, very simple question, okay, Jeff? What if, actually we talked about it earlier, but we didn't talk about it. We talk about Ethan, the unlucky person in this world, because he prepared 100 cups and he sold 0, right? 0 cups. That is almost never gonna happen. 对不对 Jeff? 一般来讲，真的就算 Ethan 准备了100杯，然后那天下雨，一个人都没有出来，他还可以强迫 Carrie 老师去买1杯嘛，对不对？不可以强迫 Jeff 去喝1杯嘛？他说 Luciana, we're classmates. Come on, you help me. Luciana 会不会说我不买的？肯定会买的，对不对 ？Because we're friends，对不对？哦，Carrie 老师肯定会跑去 Ethan 那边说 ，Ethan，我帮你买3杯吧，虽然我一点都不渴，对不对 ？So it's almost impossible that Ethan will end up selling nothing。好，那我们回到前面的道题，如果 Ethan 1杯卖1块钱 ，Luciana 卖了5杯。Alpha 买了3杯 ，OK， 奥利买了10杯，奥利最好，对不对 ？Jeff 买了5杯，好了 ，Carrie 老师买了20杯，OK， 好，加起来一共几杯啊？一共43杯 ，right？ OK， so Ethan make $43， 对不对 ？No。有成本的呀，要减去 cost 呀 ，cost 多少？15块钱。So Ethan make 28， 对不对？为什么？哎呀，那剩下的那几杯没有卖掉的，也是他的 cost， 对不对？好，那我们来看看这个题目。他说啊，每一双鞋子呢卖65块钱，对不对？啊，some shoes at 65块钱，这个是什么 ？That's the cost of each shoes. Correct, everybody? OK， 好了，每一双呢，它卖74。好了，我问一下小朋友，他每一双可以赚多少钱？是不是可以赚9块钱？对不对？好了 ，Then the shopkeeper calculate the profit and earn 440。好，有个小朋友说，老师，我知道怎么做，440 divided by 9，一共嘛赚了440块钱，每一双嘛卖9块钱，赚9块钱。那哎不对，老师你题目出错了，是不是应该是450除以9啊？哎，卖了50双，那 initially 卖了50双鞋。No, everybody, take a look. 5 pair of shoes left. What does it mean? That means this 5 pair of shoes eat up the profit. Okay, I'm going to explain. Okay, 好，本来啊，65块钱一双，如果买了100双，是不是赚了6000啊 ？Cost 买了100双，是不是 cost 是6500块钱 ？Right？ 好了 ，the selling total equals 74 times 100 is 7400. So 7400 minus 6500 equals 900. That is the profit, right? But the truth is, the cost 6500. That's right. But we only sold how many pairs? 我一共只卖了95双鞋啊。Correct, everybody? 我才卖了95双鞋 so the selling price total should be 7030. So the profit is actually 7030 minus 6500 equals 500. 530。好，那小朋友们，你们看一下，怎么会从900变到530的？那我们看看，900减去530等于多少？370。And 370 exactly equals what? 65 times 5吗？没有啊。Why it is going on? Why does something like that going on? So that means it is not calculated like that. Okay, so the profit is actually included the 5 pair of shoes that is being sold at the price of 74. Understand? So 370 divided by 74 equals 5 pair of shoes. Get it, everybody? So how do we do it? We're going to go back to the question here, okay? So because we're making 440 and they lost $74 and times 5, that is a profit. So altogether is 810. That is the true profit. The true profit equals what? 810 divided by 9 equals 90. So that means initially there are 90 pair of shoes has been purchased. Understand, everybody? Okay, I'm gonna stop here and let you think about it because we're going to practice later.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes? Okay, everybody, if you understand this one, we're gonna move forward. To the number 3, okay? A shop bought 80 laptops at $4,000 each. It then sold 50 of them at 20% profit in the first month. In the second month, the remaining laptops were sold at 75% of the first month's selling price. How much profit was made altogether? And also, there's another question is, yeah, we should do the number 5 first, okay? Let's do the number 5 because number 5 is the same as number 3.
Harry,
Uh-huh.
what is the proceeds?
Which one?
The proceeds. Proceeds.
Oh, proceeds is like the process had covered, like the selling and the whole entire process. Okay, Alpha has finished. 为什么 Alpha 的弟弟呢？暂时 Alpha 是你弟弟做出来的，是不是？
No, like, well, like, no.
OK，每个人答案都不一样啊，有2个小朋友发给我了，2个小朋友答案不一样。Okay, so I'm going to start to explain. Okay, so everybody, the one who sent me the answer, I want you to carefully look at it if you get it right or not. Okay, so a shop purchased some tennis racket at $150 each. That means that's the cost of each racket. Okay, everybody, do you know what is tennis rackets? 就是网球拍子啊。Okay, then sold it for 175. So sold for each racket is 175. So each of them, they're making $25, right? So when the shop was left with 8 rackets, the proceeds had covered the initial total cost price plus the profit of 525. So let me ask you, everybody, is the true profit? No, the true profit is actually 525 plus what? 175 times 8. Because that is a profit if you sell it full, this 8 left over. You're going to gain this much money. So 525 plus 175 times 8 equals 1400 equals 1925. Okay, so 1925 is the true cost. So 1925 divided by 20. So the answer is 77 tennis rackets has been shop purchased at the very beginning. Alpha, at least you get a 7 right. Okay, everybody, get it? Okay, so we only have, let's just try to do the one last question together, okay? A shop bought 80 laptops at 4,000 each, then sold 50 of them at 20% profit in the first month. OK， 这个 shop 很有钱啊。开始的时候，它的 cost 是多少？320,000. That is the total cost. So the first month, he sold 20%. 也就是说什么？他每一个电脑卖多少钱？卖4800 because it's 4,000 times 1.2, 20%, right? Equals 48,000. Okay, 4,800, sorry. Times, so each of them, they're making $800. times 50, so equals 40,000. That is a profit. 好，那老师问你，一共进了80台，卖了50台，现在还剩下多少台？还剩下30 computers. Okay. In the second month, the remaining laptops were sold at 70% of the first month's selling price. 那第一个月卖4800，第二个月卖多少？4800乘以75%。So 4800 times 0.75 equals 3600. Okay, so now let me ask you, Jeff. It is making money or losing money? Second month. The cost is 4,000 per laptop.
哦，
Losing money, very good. So losing how much money? Every single
400
Very good. So how many laptop is being left over? 30. So 30 times 400 equals 12,000. That is how much money you lose. This is a profit. So how much the profit in together? 前面一个月嘛赚了4万块钱，后面一个月嘛亏了12000块钱，所以 all together make how much money? 28,000. Get it? OK? 小朋友们，你们有没有发觉赚钱可真不容易啊？是不是 ？Making money is harder than doing math, right? Everybody? So this is real life math. Understand, Daniel? 你看啊 ，Daniel 的爸爸开了一个很大的饭店，对不对？你看看你爸爸每天就要算那么多账，你说你爸爸是不是挺不容易的？
Yeah.
对呀，
Like,
对不对？对呀。
I think he has this like he probably has this like financial guy to do
Yeah.
all the stuff for him. Like I
他也要
think
想呀，那他也要想呀，对不对？他也要想呀，对不对？好，那医生，你想想看，Your mom is taking care of the whole entire family's finance, right? Paying bills and everything. They need to know like if there's enough money to cover everything. 是不是也挺不容易的？对不对？哦，现在看起
That's
来
what my dad does.
哦，your dad does.
My mom's the one that's spending the money.
真的，那这样那也不容易啊。你慢慢要想，哎呀，打折，这里今天 20% off，那边 30% off，也很不容易，对不对？也要算清楚，也不容易啊，对不对？Okay, so let me just tell you the homework, okay? So the homework will be the question we're actually doing together in the class, right? Jeff, Ollie, 对不对？有很多题已经在班里面都已经做过了，okay? So we're going to try to do the number 8. Okay, number 8是 interest 的题目，很简单，800块钱放到银行里面，一年8%，那是不是800乘以8% equals $64 first year， 对不对？那 second year 呢？64 ，third year 呢？64 ，so 64 times 3 equals 192. That is the 3 years. Now, when he will interest accumulated 512, the 512 divided by 64. 可以了，对不对？好，会做了啊，对不对？虽然我们这个没有讲的很多，但是我们前面已经讲了。Okay, so we're going to finish. Try to finish the altogether 10 questions. OK， 一共回家作业就10道题目，其中6道题目老师已经都讲过了，所以其实你们只用做几道题，4道题目，对不对？但是这个4道题目，每一道题目跟前面6道题目一样，要像老师一样把每一个步骤都写出来。Understand? I want to see how you get the answer. I want to see the details. Understand, Luciana? Okay, make sure I want to see everybody because Ollie 给我的答案都是有很多过程，没有过程的就不好。那我们上个星期的作业，老师已经把答案发给你们了，但是这个星期的作业 我要看到你们的过程，因为上个星期比较简单，对不对？没关系，这个星期老师要看到你们，一共10道题，6道题上课讲过了，还有4道题，作业多不多？一点都不多，对不对？但是前面讲过的6道题目 ，I want to see the every single details. Ethan understand？ 啊，你啊，对不对？不写的话，那这个是你的屁股啊，就啪啪啪，看到了吗？啊，就啪啪啪，啊，明白了 ？Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye bye, everybody.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.
Bye.